Hi there, my name is Simon Fay. I'm the owner of myclientpage.com, and I'd like to take a couple of minutes out of your day today just to explain the service that we offer. For the last 12 years, I've had a data recovery business based out of Vancouver, Canada, and I wanted to basically make a page for my clients so that when they go to my web page, they could just click on a little link and it would give them a lot of handy things that are found on the internet. Could be weather, Google search, Bing search. It could have horoscopes, references, dictionary word of the day, local and international news, and handy links for the area that I live in. So I put this site together. I added it to my main company website, and I just wanted to see what would happen. I wanted to know if friends and clients would actually use it as their homepage instead of using Google. And lo and behold, they did. This particular page has received roughly 750,000 unique visitors over the last 3 years. So it's obviously being used by quite a lot of people in this area for local resources. So once I found out that this was a fairly viable option, I decided to create a page for anyone who wanted to basically have their own client page. And that's what we have here. So I'm going to walk you through the process. If you take our tour up here, you'll notice, welcome to my client page. First of all, we have a tell a friend option. This tell a friend option, once you create your own client page, will very quickly allow you to let everybody know, let your entire address book know that you've got this page and you'd like them to make it their home page. You have your IP address. This is kind of handy if you ever want to log into a computer. As long as you know the IP address and you're running the appropriate software, you can actually log in to your home computer from another computer. We just put that front and center because we found it quite helpful. Here is the unique hit counter. Now, when you create your own home page, this will be set at 0, and you can very quickly tell over the following weeks and months how many people are coming to your website. If you'd like to start your own client page, you can click on this link here, and it walks you through a very straightforward wizard where you can upload your logo, you can choose the links that you want to use. You can be up and running in 5 minutes. So here is the logo part. So when you create your own homepage, your logo can be put in the place of this Vancouver's homepage area. And if you click on that logo, it will take the user directly to your website. So if you were a realtor, you might just want to have, ABC Real Estate, and you'd have your logo there, and people could very quickly access it. There's also an email page owner link just above there, which allows you right here, which basically allows you to email the person directly. So here we have Google search and Bing search. Here you can choose your city. So right now we've got Vancouver. We have a few major cities, but we've got hundreds of cities that haven't actually been done yet. So you can choose one of our existing cities if you live in that area, or you can actually have full control over this page and you can create your own city page. So if you lived in, say, Sydney, Australia, you could actually go through and put in all of these links and then start distributing that to all of your friends, and who knows, you could get a lot of notoriety as being the person who created the city page for your area. You can choose weather right here. That's a nice little application that will just tell you what the daily weather is doing. We have a computer tech on staff who will just answer any questions that people have when they visit the website, and if they're having a little problem, we can just have a little chat session and answer any questions they may have regarding computer problems, regarding the client page itself. It can help people walk through, we can help them walk through setting up their own page. And here's the news and the quotes and the dictionary word of the day. All that stuff is just nice little light reading when you wake up in the morning and you want to know what's going on in the world. Very quick snapshot. These links here are the links that you control. So again, if you were a realtor, instead of having computer resources as the category heading there, you might want to say real estate links or realtor information. And underneath that, you can actually choose those links. So you might want to have access to, say, a mortgage calculator. You might want to have access to a website that shows local properties for sale. You have roughly about 10 links there that you can put in to your heart's content. Whatever information you want to put in, you could link it back to your own website in 4 or 5 different places. So lots of areas there where you can actually put relevant information for your clients. These links are the hard-coded links in the page. These links are tested by us. We make sure there's no page not found errors. We make sure they're going to appropriate content. So typically we control these, but again, if you create your own city or your own page, you could create a whole page that would be based, say, for example, on computer software. So instead of having Handy Links and Activities Vancouver, you could have antivirus software, screen capturing software, programming software, and you could fill this whole page with your own subject. So you could do a city page, or you could do a specific subject relevant page. That makes it very powerful. A lot of IT guys, they may just want to have a page that has all the best software links, and this is a great place to do it. My Links is an area right here where you can actually control, this is for the end user. So anyone who's using your page can go in here and they can actually customize these links themselves. So they may use Gmail, for example, for their email. They may like Yahoo News, and they can just go in and put in their own personal stuff right there. You can share us on Twitter and Facebook and possibly win an iPad too. I guess it's an iPad now. They've got rid of the 2. And that's the end of our tour. So that gives you a general overview of the client page. Again, if you want to try it, it's totally free to try. Just click on I'd like my client page, go through the wizard, and away you go. I will be creating another video that will show you how to do that. Thank you very much for your time.